In this video, I will show you how to maintain total visual consistency across every image you generate in Flow by using a master style prompt string. One of the biggest challenges when building a complete project is making sure every character and scene looks like it belongs in the very same world. If you just type random descriptions for each prompt, the AI will give you wildly different results every time. To fix this, you need to create a specific style recipe phrase that acts as an anchor for your entire project. The trick is to develop a highly detailed technical string and then append it to the very end of every single prompt you run. For example, if you want a playful look, you might use a string that includes keywords like 3D claymation style, soft matte textures, stop motion animation aesthetic, vibrant pastel color palette, and soft studio lighting. Once you have that perfect string of text, you never change it. You keep your subject description at the front, but you always paste that exact master style string at the end. This ensures that whether you are generating a forest or a city street, the lighting, texture, and artistic medium remain identical across your entire gallery. By treating this string as a fixed rule for your project, you eliminate the guesswork and create a cohesive professional portfolio where every image feels like a frame from the same movie. Start experimenting with your own unique style recipes today and see how much better your Flow projects look.